The next topic in the metabolic field that we want to give a brief overview of is folate, also known as vitamin B9. And you may be most familiar with this vitamin due to the knowledge that individuals who are pregnant when deficient of folate can lead to neural tube defects in their babies. However, deficiencies have also been associated with increased risk of cardiovascular diseases, which is why folate and other B vitamins are often fortified in a variety of different grains. But we really want to dive into the biochemistry of why folate is so important. And the first is for DNA synthesis, and that's specifically for one type of our DNA base pairs known as purines, as there's both purines and pyrimidines. When folate is consumed, it's going to be metabolized into its active form, known as tetrahydrofolate. It's then going to be passing off carbons to a variety of different other molecules, turning into other forms, and one of these forms is known as 10-formyl tetrahydrofolate, and it's that form that will then be used for building purines, adenine and guanine, often abbreviated as A and G, as part of our DNA. Additionally, folate is critical for recycling methionine and for methylation. And you may remember methylation from my video about epigenetics, how methylation is just the addition of a carbon to another protein. And sometimes that can turn that protein on or turn that protein off. So it's an on or off switch that's really critical for a variety of different processes. Additionally, methionine is the amino acid that starts the production of every single protein. So it's that first amino acid that's added as translation is occurring from mRNA to protein, highlighting the importance of recycling this amino acid. But to learn much more about metabolism, check out the free webinars in this video description below and stay connected to my channel and with Dane Garvin.